TCS Ninja 2022 arrangement questions. Let's move to the first question. 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are sitting around a square table. All of them are facing towards the center. Only one person sit on each of the sides and only one person sit on each of the corners. 4 of them sit on the sides and 4 of them sit on the corners. C is sitting third to the left of B, who sits on a side. D is sitting opposite to H, who is sitting third to the right of B. A is sitting second to the right of G. G is not sitting opposite to either E or F. F is not an immediate neighbor of H. Who among the following is sitting opposite to A? Options F, B, E and C. So we have to find the person who is sitting opposite to E. It is given, it is a square table. So we can draw a square table as it is. And all of them are facing towards the center. Only one person sit on each of the side and only one person sit on each of the corners. That means this is the position. On the sides means 4 persons are sitting on the sides and also 4 persons are sitting on the corners, these corners. So a total of 8 positions are there. Okay, then from the first clue, C is sitting third to the left of B, who sits on a side. That means B sits on a side. So I mark B here. Then C is sitting third to the left of B. They are facing towards the center and to the left. B towards the left means this side. C is sitting third to the left of B. 1, 2, 3. So third position of is here. From B towards the left, third position is here. It is C. The next point, D is sitting opposite to H, who is sitting third to the right of B. So H is sitting third to the right of B. Here B is here and towards the right, third position. 1, 2, 3. Here is H. H is sitting third to the right of B. Then D is sitting opposite to H. D is sitting opposite to H. So H position is here and it's exactly opposite is this corner position and D is here. Then A is sitting second to the right of G. Next point, A is sitting second to the right of G, but we cannot know where is A and G. Suppose it is given that A is sitting second to the right of G. So if G's position is here, its second position to the right of G is this, which cannot be admissible. So we can remove. And then next is G here. If G is here and A is sitting second to the right, A can be here only. Then G is not sitting opposite to either E or F. So E or F can be in this 2 position, but G cannot be opposite to E or F. So we cannot place G here. So next possibility is G can be here only and A can be here only. G, as the question says, A is sitting second to the right of G. G is positioned here and second position is A. It is absolutely fine. Then G is not sitting opposite to either E or F. Okay, it's also satisfied. Then F is not an immediate neighbor of H. So F cannot be here. So F must be here only. So A, B, C, D, E is not there. So E can be here. This is the arrangement. Then who among the following is sitting opposite to A? That is the question. Opposite to A, it is E. So option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. Answer E. Moving to the next question. 7 colored balls, violet, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange and red are put together in a row during a game. Yellow ball is to the immediate left of purple ball. Violet is to the left of blue, but not between blue and purple. Exactly 4 balls are between blue and purple. If violet and green have 2 balls between them, how many balls do orange and red have between them? So 7 colored balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colored balls are put together in a row during a game. Yellow ball is to the immediate left of purple ball. First sentence, first clue. Yellow ball is to the immediate left of purple ball. So if purple is here, then yellow must be next. This is the situation. Also, next sentence, violet is to the left of blue but not between blue and purple. Exactly 4 balls are between blue and purple. So if I am marking purple here and yellow here, first case, then blue ball, exactly 4 balls between blue and purple. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So blue can be here only. Okay. Then also violet is to the left of blue. Violet is to the left of blue, but not between blue and purple. So in between we cannot accommodate violet, but violet can be here. Suppose in another case purple is here. Okay, we can place purple here, then yellow here, and also 1, 2, 3 purple to blue 4 spaces. So purple, if here is purple, 1, 2, 3 4 positions. So blue can be here, but the sentence violet is to the left of blue cannot be satisfied. So it cannot be a possibility. So this is the only possibility. Then if violet and green have 2 balls between them, violet and green have 2 balls, so green must be here only. How many balls do orange and red have? Orange and red can be placed here, orange or red or orange. Vice versa, we can keep here positions. Okay. Then how many balls do orange and red have between them means only 1. So option C is the answer. Hope it's clear for you. We can move to next question. Next question, this is the next question. 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are sitting around a circular table. The following is the information known about them. B is opposite E, who is neither adjacent to C nor to D. H is to the right of E and D is to the right of B. C does not sit near D and H. A does not sit near H and E. 2 people sit between G and D. When counted from right of G, who is sitting opposite G? So we have to find the person sitting opposite to G. Options here given are option A, F, option B, C, option C, A, option D, H. So in a circular table, 8 persons are there, so we can draw a circle and 8 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 positions. And as it is said, not mention the direction where they are facing, towards the center or away from the center. We can take default as the towards the center. Then first clue, B is sitting opposite E. So B I marked here, and it is sitting opposite E. E who is neither adjacent to C nor D. That means C or D cannot be in this position. C and D cannot be neighbor of E. Then next, H is to the right of E. H is to the right of E and D is to the right of B. D is to the right of B. So B's right is D position and H is to the right of E. E is here, E's right position is here and H is here. Okay. Then D is to the right of B and C does not sit near D or H. C cannot be near D or H. So C cannot be in this position and C cannot be in this position as this is near to D and it is neighbor of H. So C can be in this position only. C can be in this position only. Then A does not sit near H and E. So A cannot be here and also A cannot be here also. So A can be in this position only. So A can be in this position. Then 2 people sit between G and D. 2 people sit between G and D. 2 people sit between G and D when counted from the right of G. So this position is vacant and if we are placing G here, towards the right 2 positions are there between G and D. So it's satisfied. So we can remove the unwanted things from here. So I think we have to place one more. A, B, C, D, E, F we can place here. Then who is sitting opposite G is the question. who is sitting opposite G. Opposite G, it is A. Option C is the answer. Hope it's clear for you. Moving to the next question. 6 persons, Vinay, Vijay, Varun, Varsha, Vinod and Vartika were seated in a row, not necessarily in the same order. They were seated facing the north. Vijay was second to the right of Varsha, who was seated at a gap of 3 from Vartika. Vinay was second to the right of Varun, who was not neighboring Vijay, who was seated to the immediate right of Vinod. 6 persons are there. So we can place 6 positions here first of all. 6 positions. And they were seated facing north. Okay. Vijay was second to the right of Varsha, who was seated at a gap of 3 from Vartika. Okay, Vijay was second to the right of Varsha. So I place Varsha here. If I place Varsha here, Vijay was second to the right. 1, 2. So Vijay can be in this position. Varsha, who was seated at a gap of 3 from Vartika. So Varsha, 1, 2, 3. Vartika can be in this position. Again, a second chance is there that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Varsha can be here. Varsha can be here. And Vijay 2 places to the right of Varsha. And Vartika is 3 places from away from Vartika Varsha. So Vartika can be in this position. Okay. This is the possibility. Only 2 possibilities. Okay. And again, one more is there. Actually, we can 1 or 2 positions. That means if Varsha is here and Varsha and Vartika must be 3 places away. If Varsha is here, we cannot accommodate Vartika here. And if Varsha is here, we cannot place 3 places. But if Varsha is here, we can place, but Vijay cannot be accommodated. So there is no another possibility. So only 2 possibilities are there. Then Vinay was second to the right of Varun. Vinay was second to the Varun, who was not a neighbor of Vijay. So Vijay cannot be neighbor. So Vijay cannot be a neighbor of Varun. So Varun can be here and Varun can be here. Okay, in these cases. But Vinay was second to the right of Varun. So Varun and second to the right, Vinay. So this is the position. In this position towards right, no possibility. So this cannot be a possibility. Only this can be the possibility. Then so Varun, Varsha, Vinay, Vijay and Vinod is the remaining person. So again back to the question. They were seated facing north. Vijay was second to the right of Varsha. Vijay was second to the right of Varsha. So Varsha's position is here and second to the right of Varsha, Vijay is here. It's correct. Varsha, who was seated at a gap of 3 kilometers from Vartika. So Varsha and Vartika, in between, they have 3 positions. It's also satisfied here. Then Vinay was second to the right of Varun. Varun is here and second to Varun, it's Vinay. So all satisfied. Who was not neighboring of Vijay. Varun cannot be neighbor of Vijay. It's satisfied. Then moving to our question, who was seated to the immediate right of Vinod? Immediate right of Vinod, it is Vartika. Option B is the answer. Okay, then moving to the next question. 6 friends L, M, N, O, P and Q are sitting around a circular table and facing outside. Q is sitting fourth to the left of M, who is sitting to the immediate left of N. P is sitting opposite to N and adjacent to O. O is not sitting adjacent to Q. Which of the following statement is or are true? Okay, we can draw a circle first. Then, okay, we can draw a circle first. Then we can place the positions. Actually, it is 6 friends. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 friends. Then all are facing outside. Mark it as outside. That means they are away from the looking or sitting away from the center. Q is sitting fourth to the left of M. So I marked M here. And Q is sitting fourth to the left of M. 1, 2, 3, 4. So Q is here only. Then M, who is sitting to the immediate left of N. M is sitting to the immediate left of N. So N is here, and to the left of N, it is M. Then P is sitting opposite to N. P is sitting opposite to N. P is sitting opposite to N. And adjacent to O. Adjacent to O. O is no. Adjacent to O means O can be here and here, but in the next sentence it is given O is not sitting adjacent to Q. So O cannot be here, O must be here. So M, N, O, P, Q. So L must be here only. This is the arrangement. Then which of the following statement is true? L is adjacent to P. L is adjacent to P. It is correct. Option A is correct. Just we have we can have a look at another three options. M is sitting between O and P. M is sitting between O and P, which is wrong. MP is sitting opposite Q. P is sitting opposite to Q, which is also wrong. There are three friends sitting between M and L. M and L, there are only two in both directions, so it is also wrong. So the correct option is option A. Hope it's clear. Next question. 6 movies are played on 6 consecutive days of the week, starting from Monday. Rambo is played after Diego. Nuri is telecast between Diego and Akira. Blade is played immediately after Hangama, but after Akira. Which movie is played on Tuesday? This is the question. Starting day is Monday. Starting day is Monday. Then Rambo is played after Diego. So Diego. After Diego, it is Rambo. And can be Diego and Rambo not in consecutive day, so we can have another films in between. Then Nuri is telecast between Diego and Akira. So Diego, after Diego, it is Nuri. Then Akira is there. Okay. Blade is played immediately after Hangama but before Akira. So Blade is immediately Hangama and immediately after Hangama it is Blade. Okay. Then Hangama but before Akira. Okay, so it must be before Akira. So the possibility is only Hangama must be on Monday, and if Hangama is on Monday, the Blade must be immediately on the next day. So Blade must be on Tuesday. Other arrangements will not satisfy these given conditions. So the question, which movie is played on Tuesday, the answer is clear. Option C is the answer, Blade. Okay. These are the questions asked in TCS NQT 2022 arrangement questions. See you in the next session. Thank you.